So I want to write the equation for this graph. Now this graph you should recognize is an absolute value graph. For absolute value graphs, your formula is y equals a, x minus h plus k. So what we got to look for is h, k, and a. So what is h, k? Well, if you think about a parabola, isn't hk that vertex right there? Are you okay that right there is your hk? So that coordinate right there is 2, 3. So my hk, my vertex, is at 2, 3. So if I write my formula, won't that be minus 2 plus 3? Don't we take the opposite of h, k? So don't I got two numbers in my equation for the absolute value based on h and k. The question is now is what is a? Well, a is, well, first of all, is this right side up or upside down? Well, can you kind of say it's upside down? So isn't it going to be negative? And then if we think back to all the other graphs we've done, don't you always go over 1 and down? So aren't you going over 1 and down 1? So isn't it going to be a 1? And since it's upside down, won't this in front be a negative 1? Are you okay that a is just negative 1? Done. We made it. We just made an equation of an absolute value function. hk, and then how, when you went one step over, how did it change? Or just think of it this way. Isn't this a line? Aren't you really just looking for the slope? Isn't that slope negative 1? Or here you're the opposite of the slope. But that also can work. You can think of this as what's the slope going in front. If you don't want to think of over 1, what did you go up or down?